day 5 of the sourdough starter tutorial. By day 5, you should start seeing bubbles forming on your starter and it should begin smelling a little vinegary. It is starting to become more active. To begin, take 1 spoonful of your starter and place in another jar. The rest from yesterday's feed is now discard. Turn on your scale and tare to 0. We are now going to add 50 grams of room temperature water to the jar. Mix water and starter. We will now add 50 grams of whole wheat flour. Turn off the scale and mix the ingredients until fully combined. This is what it should look like. Place your lid on top and leave for 24 hours.